Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding, and today we're gonna solve this question: unfold of linked list in C++. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you the question statement, and after that we're gonna solve it. What is the question statement? First of all, what is the fold of a linked list? Because we have to know the fold of the linked list, then we know the what is the unfold. So we have given a linked list in such a way that it is like, for example, A value. If you have a linked list given A, B, H, C, G, D, F, E. We have already done a question of fold of a linked list. So if you are new to our channel, go there and check out that question first, which is fold of linked list, and then come to this unfold of a linked list. Okay. So right now we have given this kind of linked list. What we need to do is we need to return something like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We need to return this kind of linked list, which is this is what folded. This link is called folded. This list is unfolded. Unfolded. Okay. This is folded. This is unfolded. We have given this. We have to give them this. So first of all, let's analyze the question. Let's analyze what we have given. Right. Let's analyze that thing first. Okay. Take this list. Let's analyze this. Okay. Now, if you see, we have to connect A to B, and B is at this position. We have to connect B to C, and C is at this position. We have to connect C to D. So D is at this position, D to E, and E is at this position. Again, after D, we have to connect F, but we don't have F. Let's understand I. Is this I? Then after I we have H. After H we have what? G. We have G. After G we have F. So we have F. This is in this direction. I F. Oh, sorry. Right now, A B C D. This is in this direction. So it is in correct direction, right? But here F G H I. But we have what we F G H I. This is the direction, right? This is in this direction. First of all, we have two parts of our linked list. First is this, and second is. You getting my point? We have 2 points right now. We have 2 points of our 2 parts of our linked list, which is this and this, and we have the given linked list is somewhere folded in that manner. Right? This list is folded in that manner. Okay, so how we can unfold it? Now the question comes, which is much more interesting. So for that, let's take 4 pointers. Now is the time for our coach. So let's put it in somewhere down. Let's take this. First of all, erase it. Erase these points. Okay. These points. After that, we have to put what? We have to take 5 pointer. First is this, which is first head, then second head. Here, this is first previous, and then second previous, and then there's a backup for forward. Now what we need to do? We need to connect FP with what? Forward. FP, first previous with forward and second previous with forward dot next. After that, we need to move these three, not this, these three elements to forward, first previous to first previous dot next, second previous to second previous dot next, and forward again to the next element. Then again we have to connect first previous with forward, second previous forward dot next, and first, and just we have to move them again. Okay. Now we are here. So let me write it again: S and F, P and F. right? Then again connect this to forward, connect this to forward dot next, then again move them. Okay. Now we have one more thing, one more iteration to do. First previous to forward, second previous to forward dot next, which is what? Null. So now we have two lists, fh, which is what? One more thing, this bond is already broken now. This bond is no more. Now we have two lists which are these. First is A, A2. First is A. Then A is connected to B. B is connected to C, D, E. The second is SH, which is I, is connected to H, is connected to G, is connected to, right? So we have these two lists right now. The thing is, we have to connect this list with this list. But one more hack is here. This list is not in this direction, right? The list is in G, H, I in this direction, right? So we have to connect E to this F, not this F. So what we need to do is here. And you see, this list is just a reverse of this list, right? So what we will do is we will just now there's just two part of this question. First is reverse this list. Reverse this list. Second is connect. Now we okay. Now you understand. There is just two parts left. One is to reverse this list, and second is to connect. There's one more thing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is for odd number of elements. Let's take one more example with even number of elements. All right. Let's take. We have a list something like this. A, J, D, I, E, H, D, G, E, F. Okay, and in this list we have to do what? We have to unfold it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is even, right? So let's do it. First of all, let's break all the bond first, so that won't be a time consuming thing. Let's break these bonds. So we need to do what? First head, second head, first previous, second previous. First head is connected where? And also forward. Connected with forward, forward dot next, and move. The second, move. Right? And again, to forward, forward dot next, and then again move. Then forward, forward dot next, then again move. Then again forward, forward dot next, then move. Okay. So now comes the main thing which I am going to explain you. Now you can put this at forward, right? Because there is what? Null. But if you try to put this, there comes null pointer exception. Null pointer exception. Right? So for that we need a condition of termination of a point where both, for even and odd, both have to be satisfied. Where both are to be satisfied, right? Let's make it one more turn, and this will be something like. So to satisfy both of the conditions, we need to write what? We need to write while SP is not equal to null and sp dot next is not equal to null. This is the condition which will satisfy both of them. Now you understand the flow. First half, find first head, second head, find both the list, reverse the second list, and connect. This is the only conditions, right? So let's now go to our portal and code it out. So if first of all base condition head is equal to null ptr, sorry, or head dot not dot head next is equal to null ptr. If this is the condition, just return. After this, list node and first head, right? First head is equal to head. List node second head is equal to head next. And we also need an asterisk here. Asterisk here. First head and second head. Then list node asterisk first previous, which is equal to first head. Sorry, first head. Then list node asterisk second previous is equal to second head. This is done. Now comes the while part, our loop part. While sp is not equal to null ptr and sp next is not equal to null ptr. Till then we will run our loop and list node asterisk forward. We make our forward and sp next is our forward. This is our backup, right? Then after that sp next equal to f. Sp next is equal to f next. And at last, this just one more thing which we need to do is fp is equal to sp dot next, and sp is equal to sp dot next, and not dot. This is what we need to do, right? If you remember. And at last, we need to do what? sh into reverse, right? So call a function reverse list, give it sh. We need to update the sh because we have the list as a in a order which we want in a reversed order, right? And at last, what we need to do is just fp. We just need to connect. We need to connect fp next to sp, sorry, sh. So let's make a function for reverse. Right. Let's reverse. List node asterisk reverse list node asterisk head. In this, if head is equal to null ptr, I will not explain you everything in this because I already made the video, because we already have a video of Linkedlist, so you can go and watch out. Null ptr. This is our base condition to return. After that, we need to take two pointers. List node asterisk previous is equal to null ptr list node asterisk current is equal to. Okay. Now let's run our while loop. While current is not equal to null ptr. Until then we will make our while loop, and we will do what? First of all, we need to make our forward pointer forward, current next, then current next is equal to previous, then previous is equal to current, and current is equal to forward. At last we just have to do return. So let's understand this code first. Okay, let's understand code also. So here this is our base case. If our head dot next if our head is already null, or if we only have head, we will return. There's nothing to unfold, right? If there's something, if there are more than two elements, we take first as first head, second as second head, first also as first previous and second previous. And this is our condition. You understand what I told you about odd and even? So SP is not equal to null pointer until then, and SP dot next is also not equal to null pointer until then. We run this loop. In this loop, we will make our forward, which is second previous dot next, which is the second previous of next of second previous, our forward. So after that, we will point first previous to our second to our forward, and second previous next to our forward next, right? After that, there's something which we need to call move, which we call move. So here we move our first previous and second previous. After that, we just need to reverse our second list, and then we just connect our first list to second list, right? And this is our reverse list function, which you already know. So let's just run this code. If there is any compilation error, we will check it out. Okay, let me check. So reverse was not declared in this scope, all right. So yes, this is unfold and there is reverse. So we have to move our reverse function to the above of, not unfold. We just need to take this reverse list, control C. We have to move it to above direction. Okay, no problem, we will do that. We have to do it before unfold. Now then, accepted. Let's submit it. Correct answer. So you understand my concept. If you understand the solution, thank you so much, guys. If you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.